Hi, wanna know how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, the easiest way to do it is swipe down to open the control panel and then swipe down once more. Here you'd be able to find this button which is named Do Not Disturb, and by clicking on it we would be able to open it. Also, if you would like to find some more settings for this mode, you can hold your finger on this tab and you'll get to Do Not Disturb settings. Here you can see and choose what can interrupt Do Not Disturb mode, for example people, apps, alarms and other interruptions, and also general, where you can set schedule, duration for quick settings and also display options for filtered notifications. Basically, Do Not Disturb mode is disabling all of the distracting things, which are notifications, calls, alarms, or anything else. And now to disable this mode, we would need to swipe down and here click on the same Do Not Disturb mode button. And now when it's gray, it's disabled. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.